All right, everybody. So it's time now to install the new thermostat. So just so you're aware, kit number 13431. It says here on the packaging it does the 435057 and of course the 5.8 liter as well. So you've got a few things. You've got your thermostat, your gasket, and your O-ring. Prefer the gasket with these little metal inserts. That's supposed to help with corrosion, I'm told. They have that version, and then you'll see, I believe this is the other one that you could get that doesn't have that. And I heard some people recommend the one with the metal pieces, as it this would probably be more beneficial if you're around like salt water to have those. If not, if you're just I'm sure it's all around the same price. But if you want the one that doesn't have it, that's part number 312797, and that's what it looks like. It just doesn't have the little metal inserts on it. But like I said, that's supposed to be for help with corrosion. So one thing to note here is this is the old O-ring that I pulled out. You'll notice it does have some adhesive on it. So as you're installing this, make sure you use your OMC Pro gasket sealer. The gasket sealer that I'm using is the OMC 508235. If you Google that, you can get the gasket sealer. But I'm going to coat in here first, and then drop the new thermostat in, and then I'll also coat the O-ring, just like the original is. You can kind of see here. I definitely had it around there. Kind of just helps hold it in place, right? So I'll go ahead and get the gasket sealer in there, and then drop the thermostat first. Okay, gasket sealer is applied. Go ahead and drop in the thermostat. All right, good to see. And then I'm also going to go ahead and coat this O-ring before I slide it into place, and then kind of work its way around in there. All right, so that'll be the next step. Okay, as you can see, I got the gasket compound in there, and I'll go ahead and just work it into place here. You know, for this part, you could probably use like a flathead. Just be really gentle that you don't damage the O-ring. So go ahead and just start one side in and work the O-ring around the entire housing.